Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 12 must-have tools for professionals. These are the tools that will elevate your work, whether you're in construction, woodworking, or any trade that demands precision and efficiency. Let's get started. Number 1. The Carpenters Tools 986202 Flatnose plastic pliers are a game-changer for professionals. Crafted from fiberglass reinforced plastic, these pliers are incredibly strong and durable. With 1000-volt insulation, they provide top-notch safety for electricians and anyone working with high-voltage systems. The handles feature soft plastic zones, offering a super comfortable grip and reducing hand fatigue during long jobs. Built to withstand chemically aggressive environments, these pliers are perfect for tough industrial tasks. The flat-nose design allows for precise gripping and manipulation of delicate materials, making them ideal for detailed work. Whether you're in electrical, industrial, or precision trades, these pliers are built to exceed your expectations. Number 2. The Lamello Zeta P2 with carbide cutter and sustainer case is a top-tier tool designed for precision and versatility. Featuring the innovative VMD system with oscillating cutter action, it excels in creating strong, secure joints. When the VMD is in the off position, it functions as a standard biscuit joiner, offering flexibility for various woodworking tasks. This joiner provides precise depth adjustments for both biscuits and the clamped P system, ensuring accurate and reliable joints every time. Powered by a robust 800-watt motor, it delivers exceptional performance and durability, making it ideal for demanding projects. All reference surfaces are precision CNC machined, guaranteeing consistent accuracy and quality in every cut. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a serious DIY enthusiast, the Lamello Zeta P2 enhances your efficiency and precision. Its dual functionality and powerful motor make it an indispensable tool for any workshop, allowing you to achieve professional-grade results with ease. Number 3. The Craig KMM 1000LZ magnetic stud finder with laser mark is a high-tech, innovative tool designed to make finding studs a breeze. Equipped with laser mark technology, Class 2 laser, power output of 1 milliwatt or less, this stud finder projects the exact location of studs, ensuring precision every time. What sets this tool apart is its hands-free functionality. Two powerful rare earth magnets allow it to hold itself on the wall, effortlessly locating screws and nails in both wood and metal studs. This feature frees up your hands for other tasks and adds to the convenience of the tool. Its compact design means it easily fits in your pocket, making it an ideal accessory for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike. Despite its small size, it packs in essential features such as precision-centered marking notches and a high-visibility bubble level, ensuring accurate measurements and leveling. With the Craig KMM 1000LZ magnetic stud finder, you get a reliable, efficient tool that combines advanced technology with practical design for superior performance on any project. Number 4. The Stud Framing Tool by DieCat is a high-precision measuring frame tool designed to streamline the assembly of framed walls, floors, roofs, or ladders. Crafted from 100% aviation aluminum, this tool offers exceptional strength and durability, ensuring it won't rust or wear out easily. This versatile framing tool supports multiple sizes, 16, 18, and 24 inches, thanks to its adjustable design. By simply tightening the screws at different hole positions, you can easily switch between frame sizes, offering greater convenience and flexibility than older, non-adjustable models. Engineered with professional-level design, the tool features numerous screw holes on the main body and the movable supports. Once screwed into the appropriate positions, the strength of this adjustable frame tool rivals that of fixed-size tools. It supports strips of wood ranging from 1.2 to 2 inches thick, making it highly adaptable to various projects. Using the tool is straightforward. First, screw the main body and the support plates on both sides together. Insert 3 pieces of pre-cut wood into the fixing slots on the 3 sides, then tighten the compression knob in the slots to secure the frame. Finally, screw in the set screws to achieve a perfect right-angle wood frame. The stud framing tool is suitable for a wide range of construction projects. Its innovative design brings more choice and flexibility to your work, making it the tool of choice for professional woodworkers and woodworking enthusiasts. This tool significantly improves work efficiency and accuracy, making it an invaluable addition to any toolkit. Number 5. The Camo Clip Drive Deck Fastening Tool is a game-changer for deck builders, designed specifically for installing camo edge, edge-X, and edge-X metal clips on groove decking. This stand-up drill attachment offers a seamless, efficient fastening solution, making deck installation faster and easier. One of the standout features of the clip drive is its ergonomic design. With a height-adjustable handle, it ensures a comfortable fit for users of any height, reducing strain and enhancing ease of use. The tool also features a weighted nose that accurately targets the screw head, speeding up the fastening process and improving job efficiency. Built to withstand tough job sites, the clip drive is contractor-grade, durable, and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting performance. It comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you added peace of mind. Plus, it's designed to attach directly to your drill, though it's not compatible with impact drivers. In summary, the Camo Clip Drive Deck Fastening Tool is the perfect addition to any deck builder's toolkit. Its compatibility with all camo clips, ergonomic design, ease of use, and robust construction make it an invaluable tool for creating beautiful, durable decks with efficiency and precision. Number 6. The Nematida Offset Extension Wrench is a game-changer for tackling those tight and hard-to-reach areas. Its innovative zero-offset design provides exceptional leverage and maneuverability, allowing you to access fasteners in confined spaces while maintaining full control. This versatile tool comes with 3 different drive adapters: a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch, 3/8 inch to 3/8 inch, and 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch. These adapters make it easy to switch between different socket sizes and impact wrenches, enhancing the flexibility of your toolkit. The wrench is designed for easy and stress-free use, fitting comfortably into awkward spaces under vehicles or other tight areas. With a thickness of about 3/4 inches, 19 millimeters, it effortlessly reaches those challenging spots without causing strain. Built for durability, this heavy-duty tool measures 15 inches, 39 centimeters, long and weighs 1.7 pounds, 0.7 kilograms. Whether you're working in a workshop, garage, or your vehicle's trunk, the Nematida Offset Extension Wrench is a reliable and indispensable addition to your tool collection. Number 7. The Milescraft 8407 Scribe Tech is a versatile scribing and compass tool designed for precision in woodworking and construction. It features an articulating pencil head that allows you to easily handle complex angles and curves with accuracy. This tool is equipped with a retractable, spring-loaded, locking precision point that ensures a precise radius every time you work. The adjustable grip accommodates a variety of writing instruments, including No. 2 pencils, Carpenter pencils, and Sharpener markers, making it a flexible addition to your toolkit. A built-in pencil sharpener is included to keep your pencil sharp and your lines crisp, ensuring clean, accurate scribing. The Milescraft 8407 Scribe Tech is ideal for creating detailed layouts and measurements, making it an essential tool for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. Number 8. The Makita DWD-181ZJ18V LXD Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Surface Scanner is a high-performance tool designed to enhance precision in cutting, drilling, or coring through various base materials. It efficiently locates embedded objects such as metals, steel, aluminum, copper, wood, plastic, and shielded electrical wire up to 7 inches deep, ensuring you can work confidently without damaging hidden elements. The scanner features selectable base material modes, including dry concrete, wet concrete, wall partitions, wood or drywall, and hollow block. This versatility allows you to adapt the scanner to different materials for accurate detection. Its simplified user interface displays crucial information, including the center and edge positions, as well as the relative width and depth of embedded objects. Additionally, the multi-detection mode enables scanning in up to 3 parallel surface positions, which is ideal for detecting objects running diagonally or for verification. The Makita DWD-181ZJ comes with an interlocking storage case for easy organization and transport. This cordless scanner is a valuable tool for professionals seeking reliable, precise detection capabilities on a variety of surfaces. Number 9. The Square Slot Cutter, available in both square and rectangle versions, is a high-quality tool designed for precise and efficient cutting of slots for plastic, metal, or low-voltage electrical boxes. Ideal for drywall installation, this tool creates accurate slots in two sizes: a single group size of 2 3/8 inch by 3 3/4 inch and a double group size of 3 3/4 inch by 4 inch. This cutter is engineered for efficiency and safety, allowing you to quickly and effortlessly cut single and double gang boxes. It features 4 blades that cut simultaneously, ensuring smooth, chip-free results with minimal effort. The design prevents accidental cutting of wires and is user-friendly, making it a reliable choice for professionals. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and utilizing laser cutting technology, the square slot cutter offers exceptional durability and longevity. Its robust build ensures it stands up to regular use, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 10. The Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit is a comprehensive solution for keeping your chainsaw blades razor-sharp. The kit includes everything you need: a 120-volt chainsaw sharpener tool, a chainsaw angle guide attachment, a wrench, and 4 diamond sharpening wheels in sizes 5/32 inch, 3/16 inch, 7/32 inch, and 7/32 inch. These wheels are versatile, accommodating a wide range of chainsaw chains. Designed for ease of use, this sharpener is perfect for both novices and professionals. Its ergonomic design and angle guide ensure precise sharpening, whether you're right or left-handed. Unlike hand files, which can be challenging to use evenly, this sharpener allows you to set the grinding angle and cycle through the chain, ensuring each tooth is sharpened uniformly for a consistent, razor-sharp edge. The sharpener features adjustable speed settings, providing a clean and accurate finish on each tooth. The high-quality bearings in the motor ensure stable and precise operation, saving you time, fuel, and reducing wear and tear on your chainsaw. The Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit delivers fast, reliable results, making it an essential tool for maintaining optimal performance of your chainsaw. Number 11. The Chainsaw Carving Mill Attachment by Hot Yell is a powerful addition to your chainsaw, designed to transform it into a high-speed gouge, planer, or notcher. Compatible with a range of models from Husqvarna 137, 141, 142, 235, 235E, 236, 240, and steel, MS-170, MS-180, MS-181, MS-210, MS-211, MS-230, MS-231. This attachment is ideal for firewood cutters, log home builders, farmers, and ranchers. This mill attachment features a V-belt-driven design with a 3:2 pulley reduction ratio, enhancing balance and performance. Constructed from a durable aluminum alloy with increased titanium content, it offers improved strength while remaining lightweight. Equipped with 12 sharp blades, 4 mounted on the attachment and 8 as spares, it effortlessly handles even the hardest wood. Whether you're making log slots, smoothing out knots, or creating precise notches, this tool makes the job easier. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the included full set of accessories and tools. Simply remove the sawbar and chain, install the appropriate drive pulley for your chainsaw brand, and attach the carving mill. Adjust the belt tightness, and you're ready to tackle your timber processing tasks with efficiency and precision. Number 12. The Boss Hammer Pro Series Titanium Hammer is a premium tool built for tough, heavy-duty tasks. Weighing in at 14 ounces, this construction-grade hammer is designed with a special hex head that makes quick work of nails and other fasteners, making it ideal for various home improvement projects. This hammer excels in both strength and versatility. Whether you're framing a 2x12 or working on an entire house, its efficient design helps you get the job done faster. It features common cuts and degree markings, ensuring accuracy in every project. Safety and comfort are priorities with this hammer. It's equipped with an overmolded no-slip rubber grip that surpasses traditional hickory wood handles in shock absorption, reducing joint strain and preventing injury. The smooth-faced hammerhead and dual-side nail pullers further enhance its functionality, making it a reliable choice for any construction or repair job.